Yes, people, welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel again. You see what I say? Now we have something today for telling you we're exciting, like unexpected. You see what I say? Buju daughter herself, Abiel Myrie, decide to say something about the Shenseea and Jada war. We never see that one here forward, but very interesting. You see what I say? Because you know, to hear she talk about nothing, you know. I see her go up on her live one time and I go tell her what she talk about a little bit after this. But you see what I say? But Abiel chime in on the war. Abiel say something. And it kind of makes sense too. Well, it makes sense what she say. You see what I say? Let's get into what Abiel Myrie says. Alright? So she said, I don't really care for either. But in all honesty, Shenseea did prepare and it never hot. So much so that she got some booze. She really only got forward when she did Travis. So nothing wrong if Jada go home and prepare song too. You see what I say? So she has said now, you know what I mean, we break it down in her terms. She has said at the clash, you know, Jada never knew say Shenseea go did it. Because when you hear Jada said that in another song. So they never announced that Shenseea go did it. Because in all honesty, if you look on the flyer, Shenseea not there on it. He said Ramesh, Ding Dong, and TJ go did it. So that's why you hear now Jada said them flyer in from Suriname and Ray Ray. So Shenseea did plan for real, cause I saw Shenseea got song ready and Ray and catch Jada off guard. So Jada, after that happened, now Jada go off her yard and go write song, or go studio go write song and come back and clutch Shenseea. So that's what Abiel is saying. You see me? And I have to agree with her, cause in all fairness, if Shenseea did just pull a slick one pan her and she go write song now, you know what I mean? Because right now it's not a freestyle clash. So, I want to know what you think though. I want to think about what Abiel say. Because, you know what I mean, I never see Abiel say nothing about nothing at all. I say, she only go live like a few times, a handful of times. You see me, I say, last time she go live though, people, I'm telling what she that talk about. So, it happened that Abiel is born on the 29th of February, which this year, 2020 coming up, is going to be a leap year. So, she's going to have an actual birthday, and she was asking if you can give her a surprise. You see me, I say, I do one video on it, but through the terms and conditions of YouTube, I have to delete all of my video them. I don't know if you notice, I only like 40 odd video on the channel at this point. But you see me, I say, I work, forget about the video them. But that video is still on Facebook. You see what I say? It's on the Dancehall IG viral Facebook channel. So if you don't want to see it. But me just start telling her, say, yeah, she's going to have an actual birthday this leap year 2020. So she want to have some kind of surprise. You said them for, you know what I mean, try to surprise her, I think. I don't know what kind of surprise she going to get or can get yet. But let's see, you know what I mean? Her family must have got to do it for her anyway. So me I say her father there, so he might be able to do something for her. But you saw me I say, big up Abiel. And I get no opinion on this people. So what Abiel says that nothing wrong but if Jada prepare because Shenseea they prepare and catch her off guard. You see what I say? So it look like everybody figure about the clash. It's not about the actual Red Bull clash me I talk about. You see what I say? Like nobody now say nothing about that no more. They also a thing there. Shenseea and Jada war. You see what I say? So far, Jada clap a tune, Shenseea I put up on her story say she a fly out a car friend gone somewhere. I see Shenseea gone for one flight gone somewhere. So it don't look like no tune or drop today. You see me I say might be she made something on her vacation or whatever. So right now what Jada lead, you see me I say? Me I say that. I don't know what Una say. So Una tell me what I say in the comment section. Alright? So big up on yourself until them time there. Alright, respect.